Tired of YouTube shorts playing with a dubbed voice instead of the creator's original audio? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you a simple setting that helps reduce automatic dubbing so you can enjoy shorts and videos in your preferred language with ease. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the settings gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Now scroll down until you find languages and tap on it. This section tells YouTube which languages you understand, helping the app choose the best audio and subtitles for your viewing experience. Next, tap Preferred Languages. You'll see a list of available languages. Select only the languages you actually speak or understand. For example, if you mostly watch videos in English, choose English. If you're also comfortable with languages like Hindi or Spanish, you can add those as well. Keeping this list accurate helps YouTube avoid switching videos to an unwanted dubbed language. Once you've selected your preferred languages, tap Confirm to save your changes. That's it. Your preferences are now updated. Go back to the YouTube Shorts feed and play a few videos. In many cases, YouTube will now play the creator's original voice instead of automatically using a dubbed version. If you still notice dubbed audio on some videos, don't worry. This can happen because some creators upload multiple audio tracks or YouTube is testing the feature on certain accounts. If the change doesn't take effect immediately, simply close and reopen the YouTube app or check for the latest app update. With the correct language settings, you'll enjoy a more natural viewing experience and hear your favorite creators the way they intended.